Hi friends, warm welcome from Famous of Reality. We are standing at the Chinar Park crossing bus stop, Chinar Park bus stop. As you can see, this is a highly crowded place. This is basically a conjunction of 4 roads. What I am showing you, when I am showing you this side, these buses are going towards Newtown. City Center 2 and Newtown. City Center 2 is 1 kilometer from here. And if I see just the opposite road, this is going towards Haldiram, crossing of VIP. And airport from here will be something around 3.5 kilometers by max, 10 to 15 minutes drive. So now these buses are going basically towards either Ulta Danga or towards airport. Now there is another road which you can see. This road is basically going towards Babui-Hatti Joda Mandir, where it is connecting the VIP road, which is approximately 2 kilometers from here. Or rather I can say these vehicles are coming from the VIP Babui-Hatti Joda Mandir. Loknath Mandir and Tegoria is in this particular part. Communication wise, you can understand what is the level of communication here we have. Here we've got auto, rickshaws, totos, bus, private vehicles, all are available 24/7. And there is another road which is just opposite to this one where the bus, where we can see that the opposite side, that road is going towards the Rajarhat Thana, which is 5 kilometers from here. Now see, these vehicles will now these vehicles will start going from this side. So that will be on the Rajarhat main road, which I cannot show you from here because of the huge crowd. And this is perhaps the peak hour, so the crowd is a little bit more. So that side there is a City Center 2. I can show you the aerial view once again. I will try to show you the aerial view. I don't know how much I can do it, but that is how it is. These vehicles are coming from Rajarhat main road, or you can say Dirogio College, Rajarhat Thana, Rajarhat Chaumatha. That's the part of Rajarhat. Hope I can make you understand a little bit about the location of Chinar Park. From here, the landmarks like Charnock Hospital is in this particular side towards VIP, which is something around half kilometer from here. That's a big hospital. And then you have got just the opposite side, City Center 2, 1 kilometer from here. Eco Park, 2 and 2.5 kilometers. What other things you require? You have got all the brands on this particular route like Spencer's, Reliance, Moore. All other reputed brands, retail shops are available. Now that's the security area, as you can see. Power backup is there. Security. That's the entrance gate. And that's the main road. You can see that's the main road. The vehicles are going up and down. This is Rajarhat main road. So you have got full communication on this one. Public transport is very easily accessible 24/7. Airport is something around 4 kilometers from here. City Center 2, which is approximately 2 kilometers from here. Chinar Park, just 1 kilometer. Eco Park, 3.5 kilometers. Charnock Hospital, 3 kilometers max. Decent location, decent flat at decent price. Okay, this is the swimming pool and children's play area with badminton court. Once again, the swimming pool. This is the community hall where the party has been organized recently. It is getting cleaned up. It's a big one, really a big one. with AC fitted. So birthday party has been organized. You can see. Gym is also there. Babies are playing with their mates. So highly secured complex. And where you can see that the exit. So lot many towers. We can see the water treatment plant and the park from the bottom. Show you the flats once again. Hope you are enjoying the scenic beauty and the project. This is a reputed brand from Jain Group, who has got a lot of projects like Dream 1, Dream Manor, Dream Residency, and many other projects. Now we have entered the flat. This is the lift, and now we are entering the flat. Okay, this is a nice drawing cum dining hall. If you can see, hugely wide. We can see the balcony on the front, which is basically directly towards the east facing. This is Dream Residency. We are standing on the 4th floor. The flat size is 1326, 3 BHK. Now we can see the scenic beauty. So you can see the park and the full complex, a rear view. Once again, if you want to see this one. So we are standing on a balcony which has got a washing machine point here. As we once again enter, on the left side you have got a kitchen. It's a granite finish kitchen with wash machine. Exhaust fan is already fitted. Okay. Windows is the present for ventilation. Now we shall move to we will show you the common toilet. Okay, this is the common toilet, which is a little bit dark because right when we are entering, we have got the first bedroom. What I am showing, the windows is once again towards the east. The room size is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this room is 10 by 10. 10 by 10 approximately, where the windows are facing towards east, towards the park. Now let's move to the second room once again, which is facing towards east, and there we have got 2 windows. This bedroom is a little bit bigger one. If you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. It's near about 13 feet in length, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11 in width. Now there is another tower which is approximately, if I can elaborate you properly, it is something around 20 feet from the other tower. And the east side, as you know, it's completely open for near about 150 feet. It's completely wide open. There is no blockage at all. Right? So, and this is basically a resale flat in a complex called Dream Residency once again. Now this is the 3rd bedroom with a window that is facing towards north. So how many childs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, this is approximately 12 feet in length, and the width is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once again, 12 by 12 is the room size. Okay, this is the master bedroom. So you have got a attached toilet with wash machine in both the toilets, and there was a geyser point also in the common toilet. Light fittings are there, fan is there, so nice flat. Right, let's go back towards the exit route. So this is, once again I am going back to the dining hall, and from there we are going towards the exit way. And there are the other neighbors that you have, one flat, two flat, the third flat. So there are three, and this is four flats in each floor along with the left. Thank you. This is the staircase.